behind you. Ye chuki. Anopem watching emwakwaba. Oguso ehwe Badwam on Adom TV. Asem ye dikabre and asumidin de akwasi insia. En sembi ekoso. Ya sebi se ya mpusu anka mampanfo amfa ne wo se yere to anto ne to a ebeyo how kese de ama oman Ghana. Enyum no enye obia anyum ye ne pese ye bosa anyum no ene ya bo because whether na ewo honom no e call for sa anyum no. Ame fa nko website amenchiro story bu untumi TV online na de hwa de bi won me sabe de wakọ Ghana News Agency na akọ hwa de so match story a na no pebe kan wasem. Over the last few months, Asem ko bia edi unkomo bi eye common fund. Ni nyina ese ye release a en release. Eba nso a kuma bi na eba. En yakase ade ba ko betimi ama Ghana afa ne to papa e de fra ne enkron kuma mu mpuntuo. And that was one of the bases and nam so ma aban ko fa one district, one factory at the best say anya twekwa mensri biamu yenya mfidi nyuma ba ko no betimi create nyuma e de ma manfo localizing our economy. But never be koso. And never be koswa. It is high time see man penfo e say baby omodi ade keka de kono e mwa Ghana kan ko ne Ghana yo. Mami Arenato she Adom administrator the ma common fund chiao. Ura Daniel Kwakuboche, Minister for Local Government, Rural Development and Decentralization. But chiao na no pay. Sans no pay Collins in team. Deputy Minister. So na Daniel Kwakuboche. Osume chiao. Assembly members MMDCs here what Ghana and raise concerns bia I will say at the same time say President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo will pay attention to it. Just story way now to she collapsing local government. MMDCs throw support behind Damboche and yamini issue no their support to Damboche and Asem. Now the story nakasa input akasa niye. The speed at which development at our local and our district, you know, and that's what et and crime. And can I decide the kind of development that young family in various districts? And crime. And can I tuma you deciding the kind of development you say ko asante mampong. Eko Asem Eko menshia, eko nshaya so. Eko amansie. Ene mia odro. Why should it be so? Let me tell you this. Before President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo taking over as President and Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces on 7 January 2017, the previous John Mahama-led NDC government no more one outstanding common fund. Last got Thomas Obuchia. And in fact, MMDC is taking over and another for the receiving, sir, last rank, you know, about as high as 800,000 Ghana cedis as common fund for the last quarter for John Mahama administration. What did he say? A free son Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo taking office from 2017, embassy na yeka say no assembly. And when your common fund amounted to even 800,000 Ghana cedis, and could do also 500,000. The highest so far, as high as 303,000 Ghana cedis. It is a we are abanem sini a woman cinema, who are near trauma, see a baby toilet, ye baby market, ye baby ye way, and it's being defined by the common fund administrator. Why should it be so? When President Akufo-Addo I'm from Ghana News Agency. Now make sure the president now don't go fado. Care about decentralization. But don't call Ghana News Agency. Yeah. It's sure the man penny akasa. What he himself is saying about decentralization. Kuya beti nyafa so ama empumtuo akwa yenkro enkumemu akasa. Famia. Ghana News Agency. It's a man penny akasa himself. I believe he say. Yema decentralization and yet, where do we continue to centralize our development? I'm Kosro. Okay, I'm for you. Shadia. This was last year, October 31. President Akufo-Addo encourages decentralization of postgraduate medical education in West Africa. Our president is preaching for West Africa. Decentralizing even postgraduate medical education. Postgraduate medical education. Our president is preaching for decentralization for the whole of West Africa. Say young president say postgraduate medical education. A form wakasa. So, Mr. President, why do we allow administrator of the common fund to sit in crime and decide what kind of development or say a call to a certain district? You are not even engaging the MMDCs themselves. The last distribution, common fund administrator, was we decide. Co-chair we decide in the various district. Hey, papa. We didn't say, mayor, you one crime. Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly, mayor, you see a man be. Now, that's what they and Grandmayor, or we decide to go ahead. When se be as a can engage, may you know one kind of a bet your idea present issue. Yes, I know correct. Said the new Common Fund Act, amount to me say, where's some discretion be I was setting your so, but at least engage, mommy, engage. Who engage your wungu? Who engage your baby and yo? M1 for Sunday. Who did not watch Engage. Why are you not engaging the MMDCs? You have some projects, so. And then on average, we are paying common fund about 250,000 Ghana cedis per quarter to every MMDC. But it will accrue 4 million Ghana cedis worth contract every kind across the district. Why? When our president Enya kwenya wo ka che ebibrima toye mampanifo nyina say yema decentralization enya adwuma ye was in his own backyard. Centralization enya adwuma. Mr. President, enya busuane namfo asemo. Your MMDCs are complaining. Your MMDCs, they are complaining. And 6 unit classroom block. And I'm best from 1.5 million to about 1.8 million Ghana cedis. It's the common fund is kano. And he has started now. He has 250,000 Ghana cedis. And the assembly and say, "Oh, fanya juma." Wa brain hypocrisy and non kwakra. It means see classroom block. But your starches cannot do nakasa. And the akwakogu the reserve fund mu. Now the common fund administrator no and they decided ni odi says kano ebeye. Me see no kre emra ma ho kwan the new act no e ma ho kwa so be sad. But ask yourself say me na wo di ade ne brem no what be some say eno ne ade me hia na. The first will be to come down so you pay we decide. And just obi o think kind and so here we decide. Mommy, ye mu oman ni sa. Oman no ye mu ni sa. Ade ye Ghana sa. Why? If your man penny near Ecosi, or bet me now could do a search now for 4 and penny for my catcher, Akasas will be our trouble. If under President Anado Dan Akufo-Addo said decentralization or no preaching, and Yajuma on your opportunity to make yourself preaching the same decentralization, and they are telling the other colleagues are now. Why are you making the work so difficult? And assemblies are bleeding. The assemblies are bleeding. And the school dance so crapper and this assembly benjeska and the aquacoboso. Otuania the Abba. For example, yes, a two borehole. Yes, they are common fund administrator. See, you may two borehole. Contractor Abba will be ready. Obabetu. Nipa na Obabe share adwuma so. I never sit in a district no. Oni say wom. Ya engage say we hear borehole and say we hear borehole. Every district be yard in you here and pray. It can't continue like that. Debbie. It can't continue like that. Even the president now, he to me in Adia Sana, what penny be the man, or he consult. He consult. Or no one Ghana to me, do not send and say credit say no. He even consult. How much more will not to see what penny to me be at the amount? The only thing about me, you could for the free power. Every friend of mine has a cool. Now, not to see. One message, one letter from the office of president. Consult, engage the MMDCs, engage the assemblies. No, near Omunia, and Tran Kramfa will pay and to be and Cocotomoso. And Yamamu, engage them, and no one come more, Shiamo. First quarter year woman, third quarter woman, second quarter year woman, dear Pani Assembly, no, I did here, dear CA. Let them tell you. Meaning say make say, who personal interest will contract about debi, what you man away. But whatever it is, and Krembe your son country I may catch no, Kumasime your country I may catch no, they are not happy. They don't need the we decide. Or go good yeso. Makola aboso kana. And I we decide they go so. And on the coin for. And as some point they call kejetia. Akoma dwadefo no. What the day? What the day? Ya emprempre ade asampan ehia eye kon betimi afa so Kumasi edini. Kon betimi afa so clear abobo yafo Adom free the Central Business District of Kumasi. That is what is on his table. Why engaging no? We not do komo. Ehunu ne eda omu table ne so. En tranka kukru to many fashions them na to shi. Enye sa, enye mamuo. And because you are one of the darling ladies of our president. So you decide to do anything, anyhow, that you want because Mampeni and Kaviana. Ora Collins in team. Deputy Minister for Local Government. But whatever nipa ube kubiano, ube chaswaba. Whatever. Because I know, say, who now lady this, we decide then. It be as deputy local government minister. Did you even engage your assemblies, Anna? Assuming so minister cry yet. Unaji na uti enimu. So beshe yempe we decide and famuamu and yache we decide across the 260 district. And ache and adema. Besides who engage you as a deputy local government minister in front of the assembly in Suno, and I think our parliament needs to sit on this Common Fund Administrator Act in the BM. Because anything ko say assemblies no e local government ministry ase. And administrator no e so di ho ba okuta an autonomy and she or he decides what to do with assembly's fund. One assembly one more the minister for local government and your querino. I don't know how I'm not quite so cumbersome. It's a quick say by hook or crook or some minister no umpo woni common fund administrator e fa adamfo e fra adamfo nyina so yes obetimi sabotage o. Because we can local governance and you local government minister. The first say you are the exchequer doesn't mean say who extra control. Our assembly ne so. The members of parliament and take another look of the Common Fund Administrators Act. We know how to situate it. I said, no, finance minister say, Makoto text with Yakwa school from Kwada, a was Santimampon. When Minister for Education, any motion. Because Minister for Finance, I was security, maybe, or waiting the ice harden. A base man, now Asem ba, Yaba Free Education Minister, there's a job for Education Minister Triso. As a test, we credit come as Santimampon, edition for crowd, and your papa. And for the year, Jumasa, Yamara no sin to wom, Moshanam Yamwajuma. Really a question here. I'll catch a Thursday be a people's forum, Jumedi, in a twasso. But before that, Madame Huaba, Enra, and Attorney General, and the crater Pia Bonting, a church, a mammy Sicily, Branda Pa, Nisika Iran Emo. Yeba, now breaking down Sunday, I'll up to Chief Jerry Forcing for the people's forum. Shall we? Bye, see you.